Jay, it's my first time here at Waggz. Like, what an amazing facility. And just to like see these new tubs.
Yeah, it's breathtaking. I tell you, these people are making products from a groomer for the groomer.
Let's get started.
Like the shape that you have in your head, where the start of the ears. What is it now that I always, it was a circular shape. It's okay. You're just going to round it out.
But if you're here and you have doubts, raise your hand. Because we don't have a sheen here, right? So you can take care of my dogs. Comb up in the head.
You guys did great today.
Big is the best thing for me.
She's really cute. Thank you.